Hello guys, to the series of data science and machine learning. Today we are going to learn Python. So you must be wondering why we are learning Python rather than other popular languages like C, Java, C++. It is because Python is one of the easiest language and it has many packages to offer like matplotlib and tensorflow, which we are going to study in further. And thirdly, in Jupyter Notebook, the Python notebook is very easy to share with someone. So I can share a Python notebook with you and you can see it or you can learn from it easily. Okay, so let's get started with Python. First, Python keywords. So Python keywords are reserved keywords which are in Python. Just if some of you have learned C or C++ something, it's just like uh, include or for, if, else, like these keywords. So you can see here also if imports is just include in Python. It's just a simple code import keyword dot kw list and then length of list. The Python total have 31 keywords and which is this. Some of these must be familiar to you like continue, if, else, for. Okay, so this is done. Then identifiers.